Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to your Telegram wallet. So first you want to open up your Tonkeeper wallet, and then you want to find in your Tonkeeper wallet your Toncoin, which is right there below. You want to click on Toncoin, and then you want to click on send, and here this is where you'll paste the Telegram wallet. So first you want to open Telegram next, and then go to your wallet in Telegram, and then make sure to find Toncoin 2 on your Telegram wallet. There you go, click on that, and then you want to click on receive. Then make sure to copy the address in your Toncoin address. Copy that, and then you want to go back to your Tonkeeper and then paste the address there. And you want to click on continue after pasting it, and now you can send the how much amount you want to send in your Telegram wallet. So that is how you transfer your Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Telegram wallet.